They're probably 3 or 4 times more potent than the traditional drugs.
The HSE is warning of extra potent drugs entering the Irish market ahead of the Christmas season.
We're talking about several more potent drugs coming into the market. For example, a more potent version of MDMA. We're also talking about synthetic opiates coming into the market like nitrazine and being sold in fact as ketamine, and also more potent versions of cannabinoid vaping liquid. They're probably 3 or 4 times more potent than the traditional drugs.
It's very, very likely that the majority of people actually know someone who is a drug dealer themselves, whether they know it or not. And from my experience, I know a lot of people would mix cocaine, especially with creatine, which is actually a supplement that you use for fitness and whatnot. And also benzodiazepines was very popular as well. And I remember one time after I used the drug off somebody that I didn't get it off before, I had a really, really bad reaction the next few days. I was extremely down and I was just not myself at all. So I asked the person what they had mixed it with and they said it was benzodiazepines. So it's like with people mixing these drugs and with them being more potent, people don't realise that not only are you withdrawing from the drug and having a come down from that, but you're probably withdrawing from substances that you've no idea that you have put into your body at all.